Hello everyone. Today we are going to see one of the problem from your non-profit organization. Problem number 3 you will find on page number 125 of your Telugu Academy textbook accountancy second year. Let's see how to solve this problem. The questioner asks you the question: prepare receipts and payments account of Sandeepni Educational Society for the year ended 31st March 2020. So we have to prepare receipts and payments account of Sandeepni Educational Society 31st March 2020. There are 4 columns in receipts and payments account: receipts amount in rupees, payments amount in rupees. So let's see how to solve this problem. Balance of cash, balance of bank 2500 and 3000 it has given you. Right on a receipt side, the opening balance it has given you the details like to balance brought down, balance of cash, balance of bank. How much? 2500 and 3000. 2500 and 3000. Total is 5500 is the opening balance of Sandeepni Educational Society. Subscription received for the year of 2018 and 19 and subscription received for the year of 2019 and 20, it has given you 4000, 5000 respectively. So your receiving subscription comes under your received column. To subscription 2018 and 19, 2019 and 20, 18, 19, 19, 20, 4000 and 5000, 4000, 5000. The total subscription is 9000. Right on the order column, 9000 rupees. Donations received 2000. So you are receiving the donation. Right on a receipt sides to donations 2000. Salaries paid means you are making some payments. Right on a payment side by salaries. How much you are paying the salaries here? 1000 rupees. 1000. Next, life membership fee received 3000 rupees. So you are receiving life membership fee. To life membership fee, how much is the amount? Life membership fee received 3000. Next, rent paid in advance 1500. By you are paying the rent in advance means which comes under your payment side. By rent paid in advance. How much amount you paid in the name of rent advance? 1500. 1500 advance rent paid by Sandeepni Educational Society. Honorarium paid by honorarium. How much is the amount paid? 2500 rupees. 2500. Next, government securities purchased. So as soon as you are purchasing something, you need to pay some amount which is 2000 rupees in the name of government securities. By government securities 2000. Next, rent paid for the year of 2018-19 and rent paid for the year of 2019-20 is 500 and 2500 respectively. So you have paid rent right here, buy rent 2018 and 19 and 2019 and 20. How much we have paid? 500 and 2500. 500, 2500. So total rent paid is 3000 for 2018-19 and 2019-20 respectively. Building fund received. So we received the fund in the name of building. So write on a receipt side to buildings fund. How much? 4000 rupees. What's next? Tournament expenses. Whenever you incurred some expenses, which means that you have done some payment. So here tournament expenses by tournament expenses. How much is the amount of tournament expenses? 800. Next, postage and stationery 500. So you made a payment for postage and stationery by postage and stationery 500. Lastly, purchase of books. So as soon as you purchase the books, you have made some payment. So by purchases of books 4500. Yes, no closing balance of cash is given, so we need to find out the carried on balance in the end. How you are going to find? First you have to go the total of receipts. What is the total of receipts amount? 5500, 9000, 2000, 3000, 4000. 0, 0, 5, 5, 9, 5, 14, 15, 16, 20, 23. 23,500 is the total receipts. Look at the total payments made by Sandeepni Educational Society. 1000, 1500, 2500, 2000, 3000, 800, 500, 4500. 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 10, 20, 28, carry 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15,800 is the payment has been made. So which amount is greater? 23,500. Write on both side 23,500 on the debit side and write the same here as well. 23,500. Now what is the carried on balance? Means minus this 15,800 out of 23,500. 0, 0, 15 minus 8, 7, 2, 12 minus 5, 7. 7,700 is your answer by balance carried down. By balance carried down is 7,700 is your answer. Transfer the balance here to balance brought down 7,700. Look at here once again, the questionnaire asks you to prepare receipts in payment account of Sandeepni Educational Society for the year ended 31st March 2020. So how you are going to prepare the receipts and payments account means you need to draw the 4 columns: receipts, amount, payments, amount. All the information which is given in the question is mixed with the receipts and payments. You need to segregate that. All the receipts or received, whatever the amount you have received, the Sandeepni Educational Society, you have to write here, and the payments which is made by Sandeepni Educational Society, you have to write here. In short, all the receipts should be written here and all the payments made by them is written over here. After posting details of the receipts and payments, go for the total of receipts and total of payments. The total of receipts is 23,500 rupees and the total of payment is 15,800. Which one is the highest value? The receipt side is the highest value, which is 23,500 rupees. Write on both sides 23,500, 23,500 rupees. Out of this 23,500 receipts minus the payments made by them. So 23,500 minus 15,800. So you will come to know the buy balance carry down, which is your answer, 7,700. Buy balance carry down 7,700 is your answer. Now you need to transfer that, which will be to balance brought down 7,700. Thank you everyone.